All right, guys. Hello and welcome back to another week. Right, we begin our analysis today. A quick one on USD index. I still am seeing a whole lot of downward momentum. Yeah. So on the USD index, I pretty much believe that with this run higher, all right, and the takeout of the buy side liquidity up here, all right, we came and broke down the market structure, right? So I believe that the next area of interest is going to be this bearish block here. So as soon as market opens, we'd like to see price trade into that and then eventually come down to take out these equal lows here, right? So that is pretty much my analysis on the USD index. Right, let's take a quick look on our first currency pair that we're going to be trading this week. All right, everything is clear there. So I have already marked my chart, right? And as I was mentioning to you guys that I'm seeing a bearish momentum on the US dollar, right? Pretty much the same thing, right? On the Euro USD, you see these highs here, they are too clean, right? This is where our liquidity is hiding up on, right? So as soon as market opens, right, we want to see a drop into price, right? I believe the best structure is on the 1 hour time frame, but basically, all right, so but basically, right, this is where our buy side liquidity is residing. Okay, and then if we take a quick look at the H1 chart, right, we've got this last huge down candle that's going to serve as our bullish block. So as soon as market opens, I would advise that it might not come down, right, all the way down here, right, because we have this, right, break in this market structure with the first candle that came down to trade into this block. So price might not come all the way down here. So you can place a buy entry as soon as market opens, right, with a very small lot size. Usually half of what you will be looking forward to risk on this whole trade. And if price do, however, happens to trade down into this last down close candle, right, we place another buy entry, right, to add on to what would have previously added when market opened, right? So with that said, we're going to keep our stop losses just about 3 to 5 pips below this swing low. I think that should do it, right? And then our target will be okay. Let's see here. Right, our target should be 119.15. Okay, right there, 119.15. Right, so this is our target on Euro USD. Right, we expect as soon as the market opens to want and come down, right, to trade this this bullish block and then find support or stop buying. All right, targeting 119.15. Right. So the other thing that we can also take note of is this area here, right here. Okay. So we have price come down, right, react, and then eventually gave us a lower low. Okay, taking out the sell side liquidity. Right, on this run up here, okay, you can use this one. Right, might not be so clear, but on this one, it's completely perfect. Right, price has returned, right, to whatever you want to call it, the breaker blocks here, right, and we don't want to see price trade anywhere below this low here, right, because of this break in market structure, take out of the sell side liquidity, right? We want price to want and stay above this zone, right? As you can see here, we have also a range of down close candles, right? So price came and found support there, right? And then now for us to continue buying, I think we need some form of accumulation, right? Price has to at least, dip down into an area of either you can mark it top to bottom here. This will most likely going to be your equilibrium, right? So come and trade down into our equilibrium, right? And then we can also use the mean threshold of this block, right, for deeper retracement for a buy, right? So that's it on the euro dollar. Let's take a look at the other pairs.